8th grader nga pala ang gagraduate dito at mag-high school na. Kaya today is a field trip day. Napadala ng school ang mga bata sa iba't ibang high school dito para makita nila or they will be introduced to the different strands in high school. Ito ay isa sa mga strand ng high school dito kung saan meron silang medical strand. So dito pumapasok ang mga bata na interested sa nursing o di kaya interested sila maging vet or doctor or midwife. So dito nila ini-encourage or ini-influence yung mga bata na mag-enroll sa strand na ito. Next strand na pinuntahan namin is sports and arts where they can join like different sports clubs, drama, and cheer. So yeah, kino-convince nila yung mga bata to join such because it will be a big help din sa kanila lalo na kapag hindi sila gusto mag-college, gusto na nila magtrabaho after high school, malalagay nila ito sa resume and malaki ang impact nito kapag nakasali ka sa mga clubs dahil it reflects that you're responsible and you are a dedicated person since you are a member of a club. Diba? Pride, perseverance, respect, integrity, diversity, and excellence. And itong susunod naman na strand is yung multimedia. So dito nakikita yung mga hilig ng photography, hilig ng mga editing, hilig ng mga decoding and everything na nag-involve ng mga ganyan. So yeah, dito yun. And next stop na pinuntahan ng mga bata is yung library. And yeah, if you are interested to world history and everything, like di ako masyado nakinig sa strand na ito, but yeah, it involves literacy and all languages and forms of whatnot. So yeah, this is their high school library, guys. And as you can see, may malaking lobo, ayobo. So nahanap po yung Philippines dyan. Baka sakaling makauwi. Char. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.